Unknown men have set ablaze a house of His Royal Highness Eze Ndibisi Karu in Arondizog. My people, welcome back to Balabas G's. Remember, as they hot, now so they bring and they come. They say Unknown men don't go for one Eze. His IGWE go set in house ablaze for Arondizog. But the full details of what happened there is unclear to us yet. But stay tuned, we are bringing you back-to-back news. So we are going to play the video for you to see the kind of destruction that happened in this compound. Upstairs set ablaze, cars set ablaze, and the palace was also set ablaze. But the reason of this incident is what we don't really know, and we are going to go deeper to bring more information of what really happened here. But we're going to play the video when the kind of massive destruction on this man compound. This is a massive. So let's play the video for you to watch and for you to see what Unknown men did in this particular house. We are going to play it for you right now. Watch the video.
Ndị Unknown men makpụrụ ndị Anicha unu na-arọ ndị Izọg wee bịa na be eze ha ruo ha afụghị eze Kosman wee mụ ibi ọkụ ihe palas eze Kosman ya palas eze Kosman wee mụ ebe niile ọkụ ọ ka na-agba ọkụ na-asị ụka nsị ihe afụrụ ya palace obi ndị Anicha. That's morning. Ya obi ndị Anicha, palace of ndị Anicha. Ya ụlọ eze agụ a nwere ọkụ, ọ ka na-agbakwa ọkụ. Ya obi eze agụ eze Kosman. Good morning. Ọ ka na-agbakwa ọkụ. Ihe Unknown men mere yesterday. The whole palace. Ha nwere ọkụ. I'll tell you for yesterday night. I'm on a village, but I'm a village. Carry here. I but also Babucha n'ime ọhịa. Bịa egbe n'ahịa. Ya palace ka na-enwe ọkụ. Ọ ka na-enwukwa ọkụ. Palace ka na-enwe ọkụ. Ụlọ nke a adịgo condemn. Ndị a mebekwa ha na be anyị mbụ. Ndị emebekwa mbụ. Ọkụ ahụ na-agba n'elu. Yeah, I'm from n'abalị. The whole place na moto niile nọ na palace agbara ọkụ. Ndị mba niile nyere anyị efe. Ndị mba niile nyere anyị efe here biko.
Welcome back as you have watched the video and see the amount of destruction that happened in this man's compound. The Eze was not around when these men came and set ablaze. Everything in this compound burned down. My people, a lot of things is going on right now in Southeast. You have to be careful, you out there, how you do things for your own safety. Let us talk in comment section, contribute and let us know what you think. If you know what actually happened, if you are from this R&D Zog, please leave a comment and tell us what is going on here.